In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the position size calculator on TradeLocker. Now, I always like to use this on a full screen mode, and it's going to be easier, so you'll see why. So I'm going to just enable full screen mode to see this in full screen, and then there we go. Over here on the left is where your calculator is going to be, and then here you can go ahead and basically do your charting. Now, for this instance, what you're first going to have to do is you're going to have to use this tool over here, which is of course the position tool, and I'm going to just draw in something random. So just for this instance, I'm going to go over here as a target, and then the stop is going to be down here. So of course, this is completely up to you what you want to do. This is of course your charting, you are doing it for yourself. I'm just showing this as a tutorial over here. Now, what you then want to do is you want to extend this over here, and you can then go ahead and select if you want a market or a pending order. So this is completely up to you. And then once you select that, you want to select three things: stop loss, take profit, and then risk as well down here. Okay, so once you've done that, of course, you can do it if you want to, but of course, if you are trying to use the position size calculator, you will, the position size calculator, you'll be able to, of course, do that whenever you are using stop losses and take profits as well. Okay, so over here, you can then go ahead and whenever you are on your kind of chart over here, you can go ahead and drag this up or down. And as you can see, the numbers over here inside this stop loss and take profit calculator are going to adjust accordingly. So if I go ahead and move this, you'll be able to see things are starting to change now over here. So the ticks, the P&L, and then the balance are starting to change as well, and they're starting to shift. And then, of course, you can go ahead and make your analysis and place trades according to whatever you can see on here on this calculator. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.